this video we're going to be looking at A minor harmonic scale. We'll be playing 2 octaves, hands together in similar motion. Let's just think about for a moment the key signature of A minor. Well, A minor shares the same key signature as C major. They're related, they share the same DNA. They don't have any sharps or flats in the key signature. However, A minor does use an accidental. It uses G sharp. So when we're playing the scale, when we get to F, we have a little bit of a gap to go to G sharp, and then we resolve, good word, back to A. Okay, and that interval between F and G sharp, for those of you who are doing more advanced theory work, it's called an augmented second. We've raised that G, creating this augmented second. It's quite funky actually. So when you play the scale, just make sure that you have that gap there when we're ascending and descending. Another 2 good words to learn in music. Ascending mean going up, descending mean coming down. Okay, let's get down to it then. Let's do hands separately first. So we'll start with our right hand. Here's middle C, and we're going to start on this A here. We're traveling up to this A here because we're doing 2 octaves, and the G sharps we're using are this one and this one. Okay, so a step at a time, we'll remind ourselves of the right hand fingering. So thumb, 2, 3, thumb underneath the D, G sharp, thumb under to A, we start again. Thumb under to D, and we go all the way to the top, straight back down, we don't have to repeat the A. Thumb, finger 3 over to C, and thumb on A. Finger 4, G sharp. 3 over to C, and we arrive back at A. We'll now do left hand. Left hand's going to start on this A down here. Here's middle C, all the way down to this A here. The G sharps I'm using are this one and this one. Okay, so we're starting with our finger 5 and finger 3 over to F, finger 2 on G sharp, back to thumb on A, finger 4 B, thumb on E, finger 3 over to F, G sharp, A, back down straight away, thumb under to E, thumb under to A, thumb under to E, and we go all the way back to A at the start. I'll now put hands together. I'm going to do this very slowly, and I'll be stopping at where our finger 3s and thumbs meet. Okay, so my thumb on A, on my right hand, my finger 5 on my left hand. Let's start this very slowly. Finger 3s meet on C. My thumb goes under on my right, I carry on with my left. Finger 3s meet on F. Then my thumbs meet back at A in the middle. Finger 3s meet on C. Finger 3s meet on F. Straight back down. Finger 3s meet on F again. Finger 3s meet on C. Thumbs meet on A. Finger 3s meet on F. Finger 3s meet on C. When you're happy with that finger combination and comfortable, now try playing it very slowly, 1 step at a time. If you found found this video useful, you can subscribe to my channel where you'll find lots more videos on grade 1 and grade 2 in particular.